You were told the same story all your life. Go to college, get a good job, buy a house, save for retirement, and you'll be safe. But what if that story is the very reason so many Americans feel trapped today? You work hard every week, yet your money disappears before the weekend even arrives. Bills, rent, and student loans keep chasing you, faster than your paycheck can keep up. Everyone told you that a stable job means security. But look around. Millions of people with secure jobs are living paycheck to paycheck. The real trap isn't losing your job. It's trading your time for money forever. You're exhausted, watching others move ahead while you feel stuck on a treadmill, running hard but never getting closer to freedom. Everyone told you that a stable job means security. But look around. Millions of people with secure jobs are living paycheck to paycheck. The real trap isn't losing your job. It's trading your time for money forever. You're exhausted, watching others move ahead while you feel stuck on a treadmill, running hard but never getting closer to freedom. Hey everyone, I'm Ethan, your guide here at Ethan's Money Library, building wealth, one book at a time. If you love learning from powerful financial books, hit that subscribe button, and remember, this video is for educational purposes only. This video is inspired by Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, and today we'll break it down into 7 powerful practical lessons tailored for your everyday life in America. Stay till the end, because the last part might just flip how you think about work, money, and freedom. Most people spend their entire lives working for money. They trade hours for dollars, hoping one day it'll be enough. But the rich? They flip the script. They make money work for them. It's not about how much you earn. It's about how you think about money. Imagine this: money flowing into your account even while you sleep. That's not a dream. It's the lifestyle of those who build assets that earn for them. The poor say, "I can't afford it." But the rich ask, "How can I afford it?" That simple shift turns limits into possibilities. Most people never stop to question their beliefs about money. They repeat the same cycle: work, spend, stress, repeat. But when you unlearn the old habits and adopt a new mindset, everything changes. Because wealth doesn't start in your paycheck. It starts in your mind. Most of us were taught how to earn money, not how to make it grow. Schools prepared us to work for a paycheck, not to build financial freedom. True wealth starts when you learn what an asset really is, and how it quietly makes money for you, even while you sleep. You don't need a finance degree to control your money, just clarity on where it goes. Once you understand the difference between assets and liabilities, the game changes completely. While schools teach us to work for money, the rich focus on learning how to make money work for them. Depending only on your job is like standing on one leg. It works until something shakes the ground. One crisis, one layoff, and you could fall fast. That's why applied knowledge, turning what you learn into action, is the real power that keeps you balanced and free. Most people never stop to question their beliefs about money. They repeat the same cycle: work, spend, stress, repeat. But when you unlearn the old habits and adopt a new mindset, everything changes. Because wealth doesn't start in your paycheck. It starts in your mind. Imagine your bills being paid every month, not by your job, but by your investments. That's the real financial peace the rich talk about. Most people say, "My house is my biggest asset," but if it takes money out of your pocket, it's a liability, not wealth. Chasing status symbols only traps you deeper. The rich don't need to prove they're rich. Their assets do the talking. Real wealth is quiet, steady, and built on choices that pay you back. Buy what pays you, not what impresses others. There are 4 types of people who earn money: employees, self-employed, business owners, and investors. Each side of this cash flow quadrant represents a mindset, not just a job title. True freedom doesn't live on the left. It lives on the right, where your money starts working for you. You don't need to quit your job overnight. Just start shifting right. Build small systems that earn while you sleep. That's how the rich escape the rat race, by turning time into leverage and cash flow into freedom. Most people fear risk more than regret, and that fear keeps them stuck on the left side forever. But regret hits harder than failure ever will. The moment you decide to move even a small step, your future begins to shift. Rich Dad once said, "Don't fear losing money. Fear never learning." Most people freeze at the thought of failure, but the wealthy see it as feedback. Every mistake is a clue, every setback a stepping stone toward mastery. The road to wealth isn't smooth, it's a mountain climb. Every mistake teaches what books can't, while Poor Dad warned, "Play it safe." Rich Dad smiled and said, "Learn from risk. That's how you grow." Avoiding risk doesn't protect you, it traps you. The world changes fast, and playing safe is now the riskiest move. Remember, courage compounds faster than interest. The more you try, the more you grow. You truly escape the rat race when your passive income becomes greater than your expenses. That's when money starts working for you, not the other way around. Even an extra $500 a month from one small source can begin changing your life. Imagine earning money while you travel, read, or even sleep. That's freedom, when systems, not sweat, keep your life moving forward. Working harder just keeps you tired. Working smarter builds your freedom. The biggest mistake is waiting for extra money to invest. That day rarely comes. Start small, even with a few dollars, and let it grow. Every dollar you invest is like hiring an employee. Make it work for you. Financial freedom isn't a finish line. It's a lifelong journey. Most people stop learning about money once school ends, and that's exactly when growth stops. The rich keep studying the game, reading, observing, and upgrading their mindset every year. Learning is your financial gym. The more you read, listen, and learn, the stronger your money mindset becomes. While others stop at a diploma, the rich build a new mindset through mentors, communities, and daily curiosity. The biggest trap is thinking you already know enough. That mindset closes your wallet and your opportunities. Stay curious, because the richest people are not just wealthy, they're lifelong learners who keep asking, "What's next?" The system keeps you busy, running in circles, working, paying bills, repeating. But knowledge, mindset, and assets are the keys to escape. You don't need luck to break free, just financial literacy and the courage to act differently. Start small, keep learning, build little by little, and one day you'll wake up free. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's still stuck in the rat race. And tell me in the comments, what's your biggest takeaway from Rich Dad, Poor Dad? Let's talk, learn, and grow together. This is Ethan's Money Library, building wealth, one book at a time. Remember, you're not behind, you're just getting started. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you in the next one.